Yo, what's up my guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we are going to look at how women are wired backwards from us men. Guys, first of all, I'd like to appreciate all of you for your support, for the feedback I've been getting. Guys, thanks a lot. It really means a lot to me. Like, subscribe, share. It helps with the algorithm. And so let's jump into it. Guys, you must understand one thing. Women work backwards. Men work from the front. Women work from the back. This is what I mean. Women will wait at the finish line and go with the winner. So we are in the game. Us guys, we are the ones who are playing, but the women pick the winners of these games. So you must understand, they are not doing this because they just want to do it. They are wired this way because they are vulnerable. They are vulnerable. They are vulnerable. They are vulnerable. Yeah, they are vulnerable. They're the weak. Yeah, they're the weak species. So they have to look for the best potential mate who will provide, who will protect, and will give her very good genetics so that her offsprings can have the best chance of survival. That is how nature has wired women to be. And you don't have to get angry or anything. You just have to know that that is how they are and how you can use it to improve yourself and get the best of female nature. So, number one, when you understand that female nature works backwards, now you have to be a man, because that is female nature. Male nature is logical. You work from one point to another until you reach your goal. So you have to be very logical. Let her be illogical. Let her be emotional. You have to be 100% logical. In the way you think, the way you act, everything is logical. You do everything with a reason. That is very attractive to women. A guy who does everything for a reason. You are not all over the place. It means you can be able to support her. You can be able to be the rock in times of her emotional turbulence. I know you guys get me. So once you master yourself and become masculine, you always hold a masculine frame. Then that is one way of using female nature against them, because attraction is not a choice. Once you show that you have masculine traits, she will automatically be attracted to you. Guys, it's that simple. Number two, you have to strive to be the best version of yourself, because women choose the best. I'm telling you, 80% of guys out here are not getting any choosing signals. They don't even understand choosing signals. They don't understand. Guys, if you're one of them, count your lucky stars that you came across this video. Because for us men, even though we don't need validation, the validation feels good. When a woman validates you, oh my God, it feels so good. And when you are validated everywhere you go, because female nature is universal. Being masculine is attractive universally to all women. So if you are a masculine man, you'll get choosing signals everywhere you go. Whether, as long as she's a human being, you will get choosing signals just by being masculine, just by being the best version of yourself. Guys, Women know how to choose the best. They will choose the best because they are selfish. They want the best for themselves and their offsprings. So if you're not the best, she will pick the best guy. So that means you have to be constantly progressing towards being the best version of yourself. That will take years and years, but the more you progress every single day, the more you increase your chances of being at the top 10% of the guys. Because 80% of the guys, of the girls out here, are chasing the 20% of the men. If you are in the 20% category, your life is so much easier. You have access to all the resources, access to all the women. You just have everything so easy. But to reach there, you have to put in the work. This is where you put in the work. Hit the gym, grind, focus on improving, focus on moving forward, progressing every single day. Even if you fail, you don't quit. Guys reach there because of consistency. You are consistent doing the right thing. You are consistently disciplined. I know at some point you just feel like you've hit rock bottom, but you wake up, you dust yourself and continue with the journey. No, there is no quitting in this game. There is nothing like quitting, my guys. And that is, I'm telling you, that is very attractive, because even if you don't tell a woman you don't quit, that mentality, that there's an aura about you that signals strength just by the way you carry yourself. The more mental strength you have, the more attractive you become. And you do this by grinding, by putting yourself in very uncomfortable situations and solving problems. That is being a man, my guys. That is just being a man. The last thing, guys, you have to understand one thing. Women will say they want a nice guy, but in turn will go out with the douchebag and the asshole. This is because they understand their real value, and assholes do not treat women like they are princesses or anything. They see them as who they are. They see them with their value, low value women. And that is how you are supposed to see women. Don't let women mislead you or manipulate you to think that they are better than you. You are the one who is putting in the work. You are the one who is constantly progressing. You are the one who is striving to become the best version of yourself. That means you are more valuable than these women out here who just sit and feel entitled because the simps and the nice guys are pumping up their egos. Guys, treat women the way they are supposed to be treated. Treat them like normal human beings. I'm telling you, when you focus on yourself and you focus on just building things and you don't focus on chasing women, you will see women as who they are, because they will start to chase you and they will start to show their true colors. So guys, be focused on yourself. Be the guy who is constantly progressing towards his purpose in life, and let women just come and complement your life. Don't let women be the center of your life. Let them complement you. Let them make life a bit more cheerful and colorful. So guys, I hope you got something from today's video. See you in the next video. Peace out.